Okay, so when the business will now supply, and nag-supply yung business, then credit, debit, price. Halimbawa, nabili sila ng 20,000. Anong credit natin? Tapos bumili ng supply sila ng negosyo or yung negosyo. Debit, supply, credit, cash. Now, at the end of the period, no? At the end of the period, these supplies are counted. No? Magkano yung nagamit? Halimbawa, nagagamit sila na nagamit nila is 15,000. So, magkano yung naiwan?
Shop ng
At least na ng 20. Nagamit nila yung 15. So, magkano yung nagamit? 15. Magkano naiwan? 5,000 na naman yung tingin natin.
Yes.
15. 20. 15 yung nagamit. Saka adjusting entry. So, entry nila naman dito ay debit, price, and credit card. So, ano entry natin? Supply, expense. Magkano? 15. Anong credit natin? Ha? Anong credit? Hello? Testing entry.
Prepaid.
Debit?
Insurance.
Supplies lang.
Supplies.
Kano? 15.